Hello everyone, I'm Nysa again. Today we'll be learning German to have verbs. So let's get started. First we'll learn in singular. So in singular we have I have, means ich habe. You have, du hast. He, she, it. So ihr, sie, es, hat. Then plural we have, we are haben, you have, ihr habet, and they have, sie, many. And when we have s in capital G, so it is formal way, haben. Now I am going to ask some fill in the blanks. So the first one is ich dash einem Bruder. So the answer is ich habe einen Bruder. Then second one is ich dash hunger. So the answer is ihr hat Hunger. Third fill in the blanks is wir 5 Kinder. So the answer is wir haben 5 Kinder. Fourth one is dash generated, means ich hat generated. And the fifth one is ihr dash wir spät. So the answer is ich habet wir spät. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more updates and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.